name is Caleb Carter, and today we're looking at the 15,000 pound Dexter electric brake trailer axle with the heavy duty Hutch Springs on it. Let's dive into it. So this Dexter axle has the 8 on 275 millimeter bolt pattern on it with the swivel flange nuts and the Fortress oil caps. You can also put grease in here if you'd like. It comes fully assembled. It has the 12 1/4 by 5 inch electric brakes on it with the Hutch Springs on it. Part number 072-048. It's set up, ready to go. 5-inch tube on it. 7-hole backing plate, just like the 12Ks. Uses the same drum as a Dexter 12K. And really the main difference between this 12,000 pound axle and a 16,000 pound axle is this hub. The 2-piece hub and drum, so you can actually convert it down to a 12,000 pound as well if you'd like. Or you can take your 12,000 pound axle and convert it into a 16,000 pound axle per se by changing out the hub. This axle comes fully assembled, ready to install on your trailer. We have great deals on them at trailerpartsunlimited.com. You can pick these up at our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas. Give us a call at 844-898-8687 or just buy them online.